Hey everyone, how you doing today? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is having a good morning this morning. I am always so happy to bring new products to my channel so I can show you what's out in the marketplace and things that I'm testing out and things that I'm loving. And I am so very thankful to be able to work with Colorescience, one of my favorite companies for makeup, for sunscreen. I use so many of their products on a daily basis. They recently contacted me, said they had some new launches of products they were rolling out. This is what this video is about. I'm going to show you and demonstrate some products that Colorescience is rolling out. I'll give you all the information in the demos, and I will also list all the information for these products down below in the description box.
Okay, let's crack open this package and see what Colorescience has sent me. Let me show you quickly what everything is, and then I will do a demonstration. Colorescience was so nice. They left me a promo code for everyone, and I will put that promo code down in the description box. The first product in this box I am very familiar with. It is Colorescience's Age Defense Brush-On Mineral Shield. This is SPF 50. I think this is just so convenient. You can brush this on your skin alone, or you can also brush it over makeup. The other thing in this box is something new to me. It is called Pep Up. Pep Up is a collagen renewal product for both your face and your neck. And they also gave me a little pair of Colorescience earphones. I love the people at Colorescience. They are so nice. Thank you so much for that. And let me show you what is in the other box that they sent me. Now this box is their Total Eye Restore Regime, and in the kit there are 3 different products that really target the eye area kind of 24/7, daytime, nighttime, all the time. These products are really focusing on the eye area. So the 3 products in here are, number 1, this new product to me, their Total Eye Concentrate. They also have something I absolutely love, hydrogel eye treatment masks. And finally, a product that I am very, very familiar with, their Total Eye 3-in-1 Renewal Therapy with an SPF of 35. So let me do a quick demonstration of all these products and also of a new mascara from Colorescience. All of the makeup that I've tried so far from Colorescience, like their Santa Fe bronzer, their Lip Shine lip products. I love all their makeup. When Colorescience does a product, they do it right. I'm going to do a quick demo of everything that was sent to me in case you're not familiar with these products. So let's start with the Total Eye Restore Regime. This kit really covers your eyes all day. So the first thing Colorescience recommends using is their Total Eye Concentrate. This works while you sleep. All you do is give it a little shake and apply it to the eye area. Make sure you include the eyelids all the way up to the brow bone. The eye concentrate works while you rest. It is a potent concentrated blend of Colorescience's active ingredients. It delivers a very immediate cooling hydration that will give long-term results. It is composed of all of the key ingredients that are also found in Colorescience's best-selling Total Eye 3-in-1 Renewal Therapy. This eye concentrate will help combat fine lines, dark circles, crow's feet, sagginess around the eyes, and puffiness. It has a higher concentration of the 2 ingredients responsible for hydration and minimizing dark circles. You want to apply the concentrate all around the eye area, including the eyelids, and do it all the way up to the brow bone. Go over it 2 times to make sure the area is completely saturated. So I really like this as a spot treatment all around my eye orbital. Next, we're going to test out Colorescience's Total Eye Hydrogel Treatment Masks. So the way to use these masks, first make sure you apply the concentrate rollerball all around the eye area for extra potency before applying the masks. Then apply 1 mask to each under eye area with the narrow portion placed closest to your nose. They're infused with ingredients that help provide intense hydration and also improve the appearance of the eye area. They're great if you want to use them weekly for treatments or if you have a special occasion that you want your eye area to look extra special. These really give immediate results against dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness. And what's great about these masks, I've tried so many different eye gel masks. These are so nice because they do not fall off. You could go to gym class with these on and they will stay on, but they don't tug your eyes when you pull them off. And after I took them off, I really did see immediate results in the softness of that area around my eye and a little bit in reduction of the appearance of fine lines around my eye. So love these hydrogel eye masks so much. And the final thing in this Total Eye Restore Regime is what I use every day under my eyes, Colorescience's Total Eye 3-in-1 Renewal Therapy. This is an SPF of 35. It gets great results. It is very smoothing. It has a very nutrient-rich formula. It is a 100% mineral sunscreen. It provides defense against photoaging. Its peach tone tint, which I really like, that really does seem to brighten up my under eye area and also helps color correct my dark circles. I know this product is not a concealer, it is an eye treatment, but I use it like a concealer on days when I'm not wearing any makeup. The ingredients in this product help to improve fine lines, dark circles, crow's feet, sagging, and also long-term dehydration with added immediate benefits of that SPF protection. It helps smooth out the appearance of fine lines, color corrects, and if you're wearing makeup, you can choose to put your normal concealer on top of this eye treatment and then just pat it into the skin. This second package contains two products, one that is new to me and one that I am very familiar with. The first one is this Pep Up. This is a collagen renewal face and neck treatment. This product is new to me. This product contains an ingredient called Decaplex 10. Decaplex 10 is an exclusive blend of peptides. These train the skin to build its own healthy collagen and to defend against the visible signs of aging. The concentrated blend of peptides promote healthy collagen and elastin production. 22% of the entire bottle is composed of peptides. It also promotes moisture retention, which also aids in smoothing the skin's texture through the use of hyaluronic acid and Phytomoist. It has cutting-edge antioxidants that defend against environmental aggressors that can cause the skin's damage. And there is even an antioxidant inside that specifically protects against blue light. So even when you use your phone, your computer, any of your devices and gadgets in bed at night, your skin is going to be protected. I thought that was so cool because I am constantly in my bedroom at night with the light from the computer glaring on my face, and I love that I can protect my skin from this. This product is clinically tested and dermatologist recommended. Now, how do you use this? Just apply the concentrated serum morning and night after you cleanse your face and your neck. If you plan on applying any other products, just start with the thinnest, most water-like product on the skin first. The next product in this box is Colorescience's Age Defense Mineral Shield. I love this powder. I have so many of these. This is such a great little powder to carry around in your purse. Super convenient. All you do is take off the cap. You have the little brush at one end, and then the mineral powder is at the base. Take off the little rubber band and you just kind of prime it and get the powder into the brush. After you've taken the rubber band off the brush, you put the cap back on, turn it upside down, tap it several times, and then your brush should be primed with the powder and ready to go. And then just spread it all over your face or your neck or anywhere you want to spot treat. This brush-on shield is all mineral sunscreen and does provide complete protection from the sun, especially when you're on the go. You can put this in your purse or one of your pockets. It's not messy at all. It protects you from both UVA and UVB rays. It is rated SPF 50 and is water resistant up to 80 minutes. It does come in 4 different shades. I really love this little mineral sunscreen. This lasts me a very long time, and I love the convenience of being able to just pop this in my purse and not make a mess. It is 100% chemical free. It does have mineral sunscreen actives. It's hydrating and antioxidant rich. It's sweat and waterproof. The bristles are antimicrobial, so that helps protect the brush and maintain the freshness of the product, and it is hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic. Last but not least, I am so excited to test out this mascara from Colorescience. I love the case, I love the bristles, and I really liked the way this made my eyelashes look. If you're looking for really thick, clumpy looking eyelashes, this is not the mascara for you, but if you're looking for very natural looking, separated, long lashes, I think you will really enjoy this mascara. It doesn't smudge, it didn't flake. I really, really liked it. It made my lashes look long and defined and separated, but super natural. These look like I just have my own beautiful long lashes.
Thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.